Hello everyone, good morning. My the bright weather today boosts the spirit until the end of the day. Well, before we start, allow me introduce myself. My name is Monika as a CEO of Chia Technology Company. Today, I will explain our service to all of you. Our presentation today has the theme empowering your business through innovative IT solutions. What I will convey includes our company history, our company mission, our service, award, and testimonials. Well, dear attends our company, history company, Tech founded in 2004 by a group of experienced IT professionals in Jakarta. Starting from the desire to help SMEs in Indonesia to be more competitive in the digital era. This company has grown rapidly and now has clients from various industrial sectors. Next, we have the following mission. Our mission provide innovative technology solutions to improve business efficiency and quality of our target. Audience is small and medium companies who want to optimize their business process through the latest technology. We offer easy to use software and superior console service, supported by a team of conversation professionals. Next, we offer several services including product and service, business management software, IT consulting service, mobile application, business management software. Business management software is a type of application designed to help organizations streamline their operation, improve effectively, and manage various aspects of their business in one integrated platform. It typically includes features from first, project management, second, financial tracking and reporting, third, customer relationship management CRM, uh, then inventory control, and finally human resource management. IT consulting service. IT consulting service provide expert advice and guide to organization and how to use information technology effectively to achieve their business objective. The service typically include IT strategies development, system integration, cybersecurity consulting, cloud migration planning, digital information guide. Mobile application. Mobile application service involve the development, design, and maintenance of software applications specifically created for mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet. This service typically include app conceptualization and strategy, UI/UX design, development for iOS and for Android platform, backward integration, testing and quality assurance. As for the awards, we have achieved they are 2020 Technology Innovation Award from the Indonesian Technology Association, Top 10 Startup in Southeast Asia 2018 from Tech Asia Magazine. ISO 27001 Certification International Certification for Information Security Management. Furthermore, after nearly 6 years in operation, we have always received great feedback from clients, and they are recommend our service in other colleagues. Here are some testimonials from our client. The first from Mrs. Situnraliza. Chatec is a great place to work. The company culture is inclusive and support my career development. And the second in from Mrs. Budi Santoso, CEO of PT Maju Bersama. He said, Chatec has helped us improve operation efficiently with their ERP solution. Their customer service is outstanding. Well, it seems that the explanation about our service is finished. I hope we can collaborate. If the agents are willing and interested in our service, you can contact us through the detail shown on the screen. Thank you for your attention and time. Please excuse an unpleasant words or sentence.